Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm gonna make a strawberry brioche bread pudding. You can serve it for breakfast or as a perfect dessert for Sunday brunch with friends or family. Just a way to make life a little bit happier. Wash my hands? Let's go! First off, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a baking dish with butter. For this bread pudding you'll need a brioche bread. You can make it from scratch or you can buy it, as I did. Cut your bread in slices 2 cm thick, if needed. Arrange the brioche slices in the baking dish, press it just a little, and put it in the oven for 6 minutes. Do not burn it. Remove from the oven and set aside. Meanwhile, you can prepare the strawberries. Just rinse it, dry it, and cut it. That's it. Oh, no! Eat a couple of them, of course. Put the milk and cream in a saucepan over medium heat until boiling, just until first tiny bubbles. Remove from the heat and also set aside to cool down a little. For this recipe you'll need whole eggs and additional egg yolks. You can keep the remaining egg whites for other recipes. Put the eggs and the egg yolks in a bowl and whisk a little. Then add sugar or sugar substitute, vanilla extract, lemon zest, and a little bit of salt. Mix it again to dissolve the sugar. Gradually whisk the warm milk mixture into the egg mixture to combine. Arrange a third of strawberries between the slices of the bread. Pour the custard over the brioche. Press it a little to soak each slice evenly and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then top with the remaining strawberries. Sprinkle with the sugar and bake for 30 minutes or until golden. Wow! Look how beautiful it is! Let it cool a little and dust with an ice and sugar. Serve warm or cool as you wish. You can add vanilla ice cream or whipped cream, or eat just as is. It smells so good. I don't know why, but it reminds me of the smell of French bakeries. And it's so tender. And the taste, Oh my god, delicate creamy brioche with baked strawberries and touch of vanilla. It's incredibly delicious. And it's so easy to make. You should definitely try this strawberry brioche bread pudding. Alexei, do you want to try a little piece of happiness?
It doesn't have to be a little slice. Oh. So tender. And the strawberries are, I think they're even better in cooked way. This is indeed the taste of summer. I think everybody needs at least a little slice of that, but the slice could be a little bit bigger. Thank you very much, it's very good.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.